Good afternoon, everyone. So there's been a couple of major developments here with the Cicada 3301 puzzle today. First, I want to state that a little over 11 hours ago, the sevens.exposed website updated. And there's no text, just this audio clip, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. As you can tell by the first few seconds there, it doesn't appear to be a spectrogram. I have listened to the whole thing, so I think the clue is in the music. Also taking a look at the page source, NY Noir is the name of the WAV file. I did take this text here, put it into a Word document. I'm trying to see if it's a Caesar cipher, and that doesn't appear to be the case so far, but I'm still taking a look at it. And just a few hours after Defango posted this, and then he came out with this video that season 2 is canceled. Now, why this has so many few viewers, 11 hours ago 68 views, when this that came out 8 hours ago has already 1,000 views, I'm not sure why, but I want to play this video for you here so I can ask a question.
Hello everyone, I regrettably inform you that season 2 of the Defango show has been canceled. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience this may cause any of you due to unforeseen circumstances. Our channel has been crowd-struck and we will no longer be able to upload videos, I guess, or do anything that has to do with live streaming. And, you know, it's a crazy situation, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what I did, but I guess show's over, folks. Time to pack up. Sorry to all of you out there. Sorry to anybody that I may have, made mad or whatever. But I guess you win. So, adios everyone. It was fun while it lasted.
So, also notice here the comments are disabled for this video. And it says here, greetings, season 2 has canceled due to unforeseen circumstances. I apologize to all of the fans, but my live streaming ability has been revoked and it seems uploading is also done. Hopefully this gets out to you. I cannot discuss the matter's future. Okay. I hope this wasn't too puzzling for you. It hurts me more as the day is long. I'm sorry to all the people I have wronged. Regards, Manuel Chavez. And so, anyways, again, comments disabled. Now, he said he differentiated between uploading and going live. He said he wasn't able to do either anymore. But I asked, how was he able to upload this? Now, some of these letters being uppercase, the way this is done, I don't know if there's a clue in that. For example, the O, T, C, H, A, I think this is a prank. GOTCHA. Gotcha. Let's see. Seems UICKE. Let's see. Wait. SU. Let's see. SUICK. Gotcha, sucker. SAG. I'm thinking this is a prank, okay, because there were just a lot of questions. I think this is a prank, but I just think it was interesting that this came out on the day that Sevens Exposed was updated. Let's see. But anyway, just wanted to know what your thoughts are. Is this really true? Is it a prank? What do you guys think? Is there something in the music? Because also, again, here's the WAV file, and I'm going to be running this line to see if this is some sort of Caesar cipher. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and have a good one. And if it is true, then let's find a way to support Defango, because I love his videos and I love his work. And you guys have a great day. Bye.